Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, ArchieLuxury channel. Guys, I want to talk to you today. It's very, very important. Men cannot live on Google Ads alone. I depend on your support to keep me on YouTube full time. Guys, there's a number of ways you can help me stay on YouTube producing content. Number one, you can organize a paid review. That's right. I will make a video for US $20 minimum and I will review your collection. I'll answer a question for you. So, normally takes, about 14 days, 10 to 14 days for me to make these vids. The other thing you could do to sponsor me and help me stay full-time on YouTube is sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a small amount of money, like $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, anything, any amount you want over $1, you can, and it basically sends $1 each month to me. Now, you can cancel at any time if you're sick of the show or you don't like me anymore. So guys, help keep me full-time on YouTube. Paid reviews, I do. Sponsor me on Patreon, and Patreon people get advanced screening of some videos and secret videos. Not to mention, I got advertising space on the fridge. Come on, guys, keep me full-time on YouTube. Hi, guys, Paul Pluta on the ArchieLuxury channel. Guess what, guys? Guess what turned up today? Yes, I've just bought another watch. That's right, guys. I've been buying watches left, right, and center. I've been buying watches because I want to get rid of the Google ratings disaster. I mean, the only way you can beat these other channels is by having interesting watch content. So I'm buying shitter grade watches in the hope that it helps my YouTube ratings. So I'm doing an unboxing. I'm doing another unboxing. And this is the guy who loves to wrap and pack and wrap. He loves to wrap. He really does know how to wrap his stuff there. So it's kind of like pass the parcel. How many layers of tape and foam can you possibly use? So roll. Let's part. This would be a great pass the parcel gift. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I am just wrapping. This is in a wrapper. Okay, guys, let's undo it. Let's party time, ArchieLuxury style. And here, ooh, woo, getting excited, guys. This is looking really cool. And this is Archie's latest acquisition, Swiss timepieces. And let's have a sticky beak indeed for the Archie. And da 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 papa da 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 da. Looks like a book on the back there. Look at that. Very okay. It's open her up. Oh fuck. Okie dokie. Let's have a look. Just as well, it's wrapped in 30 layers of plastic. Jesus Christ. Here we go, guys. This is the This is the Tissot. Wow, what do I think? Indeed, what do I think of that? I think I'm going to have to add a few more links. You've got some links in the box. We got links, thank God. Yep, we got some links here. Gonna have to put some links in here. This is a, what is it? It's a very, I don't know if I can get this bastard on, but let's have a look. Because he's got, look at this. This is the comparison. Breitling versus Tissot. Hey, I think these here sort of could be cousins, kissing cousins. What do you guys reckon? Kissing cousins. Horological kissing cousins. And what do you think, guys? The Breitling and a Tissot. Tissot. What do you think? Interesting. Oh, the bezel doesn't rotate. Ah, shit. I thought it was like a subby. No, it doesn't. It's fixed. There you go, guys. It's my latest purchase. It's a Tissot. Low-end Swiss technology. I bought this watch here to show you the Tissot. And it's got a fairly cheap and nasty box here. It's got side pockets which open up to show you the paperwork. That's where the extra links are in there. And the other side here, what's it got? Some warranty crap on Tissot. So there you go. This is a Tissot wristwatch. Tissot. So I bought this watch here to road test to show the audience. We'll get some fantastic content out of this. A comparison of the Tissot versus the Breitling. We want to do some comparisons. Two Swiss shitters. The two Swiss shitters. So there we go, guys. What do you think? The Tissot. What do you think? Has Archie gone mad? Is he insane? Absolutely insane, Archie. Why? It's got a display back as well. Look at that there. It's a Tissot. Wow, Archie, what do you reckon? Indeed? Tissot. So there you go, guys. ArchieLuxury. Modern day watch enthusiast. What do you guys think of that? Tissot! Oh, Archie!
Okay.